So why do you want the 10-foot Jsaux cord for your guitar, drums, and your amp? Well, let me tell you why. But first, let me thank Jsaux for sending these to me to review. These are just made better. For instance, you've got the transfer clear signal ports instead of the TPS ports right here. Also, on the cord itself, it's 6.5 millimeters diameter. Most are 2.5 millimeters. It is 10 foot. They do have a bunch of other sizes. I'm going to put a video up of me showing you hooking this into my amp and my drum, because you can use this for more than just guitar, bass guitars, whatever you need to plug into an amp. It also has that 90-degree angle, which is nice for tight spots, and just overall a nice cord. They say that this can bend 15,000 times before you have any problems, and just the feel of it over other cords I've had, you can tell that this is well made. It's not only an Amazon choice, it not only has 4.7 stars, it's got 900 plus reviews, and last month this 10-foot cord sold over 3,000 plus. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.